Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your wallet address on Bitget account. Keep watching the video till the end. To find your wallet address on Bitget, firstly open your Bitget application. The home page of Bitget will appear on the screen. Tap on Buy option on the right side of the screen and then click on Buy Crypto. Select your token from the drop-down, that is BTC, Bitcoin or any other coin you want to choose to know the wallet address. Enter the quantity you want to buy and tap on Next. Here you can see the wallet address right next to My Wallet 1. You can also tap on My Wallet to see the wallet address on Bitget application. This is how you can find wallet address on Bitget quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.